Problem set, word problem. Sum number 6, which is of 2 marks. A boy standing at the distance of 48 meters from a building observes a top of the building and makes an angle of elevation of 30 degree. At C point, the boy is standing and AB is the height of the building. The distance between a boy and a building is 48 meter. Boy observe at the top of the building means segment CA is a line of vision. It is a line of vision which make an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Angle of elevation of 30 degree. So angle of elevation, angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Here AB represent the height of the building, C represent the position of the boy. We need to find the height of the building. Now in triangle ABC, which angle is 90 degree? Angle B. So angle ABC equal to 90 degree. The targeted angle is angle C. So angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Now we need to find opposite side of 30 degree and adjacent side is given. Correct? So opposite upon adjacent is 10. So tan 30 degree equal to opposite side, which is AB, upon adjacent side, that is BC. Reason, you know the reason by definition. Now tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. That also the reason. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3 equal to, what is AB? AB we don't know, but BC we know, which is 48. Now cross multiplication, 48 ones are 48 upon root 3 equal to AB. Now we know that we don't want denominator to be irrational, so 48 upon root 3. So root 3 we will multiply with numerator and denominator to rationalize the denominator. So the reason will come rationalizing the denominator. Therefore AB equal to 48 root 3 upon 3. So AB 3 ones are 3 6 are 16 root 3, and unit is given or not? Unit is given meter. Yes, it is given meter. As root 3 value is not given, if you don't apply the value of root 3, it is okay. If you want to apply, you can apply. So 16 into 1.73, because value of root 3 is 1.73. So AB, let's multiply 16 into 1.73. 16 3s are 48, so 8, 4 left. 16 7s are 112 and 4 116, right? So 11 left. 16 ones are 16 and 11 27. 27.68 meter. Therefore final statement, height of the building. The height of the building is 27.68 meters. And that's all. This is the end of sum number 6. Sum number 7. From the top of the lighthouse, an observer look at the ship. From top of the lighthouse, so AB is the lighthouse, which is of 100 meter. So I'll write AB equal to 100 meter, which is the height of lighthouse. An observer look at the ship. Observer is at point A. You can write the observer is at point A. As observer is at point A and observer is looking at the ship is at point C. Point C be the position of ship. Now the angle of depression is formed 30 degree. We know what is angle of depression. This is the line of vision. AC is the line of vision and AP is the horizon. The angle formed between horizon and line of vision in a downward direction is angle of depression, which is 30 degree. So angle of depression PAC equal to 30 degree. Now if the height of the light house is 100 meter, then how far the ship is from the lighthouse? We need to find the distance between lighthouse and a ship. So first we know AP is parallel to BC. So I'll write ray AP, even you can write seg AP, it's okay, is parallel to seg BC. Now reason, horizon is always parallel to the ground. Okay, you can write sea level, it's okay. Now therefore alternate angles are congruent. The PAC angle PAC is congruent to angle ACB and the reason alternate angles. Therefore angle ACB equal to 30 degree. This angle will be also 30 degree. Now in triangle ABC, one angle is 90 degree, which is ABC equal to 90 degree, and angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Opposite side of 30 degree is given, we need to find adjacent side, correct? So 10, therefore tan 30 degree equal to opposite side, which is AB, upon adjacent side equal to BC. Reason by definition. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Definitely that will also come as reason. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3. Now AB we know it is 100 and BC we don't know. Therefore cross multiply. BC ones are BC, 100 into root 3. BC, here value of root 3 is not given. So if you don't put the value of root 3, it's okay. But I will substitute 1.73. Reason, the value of root 3 is 1.73. So BC equal to 100 into 1.73 is 1.73 meter. So final answer, the distance between the ship and the lighthouse is 173 meter, or the ship is at 173 meter away from the lighthouse. The ship is at 173 meter away from the lighthouse. And this is the end of sum number 7. Sum number 8, which is of 3 marks. Two buildings are in front of each other. AB and CD be the two buildings which are front of each other, where AB is a short building and CD is a taller one. From the top of the first building having height of 12 meter. So smaller building will be of 12 meter because the angle of elevation is formed, and definitely angle of elevation will be formed from smaller building till the taller building, correct? So this angle will be 30 degree because AM will be the horizon. What is the height of the second building? We need to find the height of the second building. Similar type of sum already we have done in exercise. We need to find first MD. How we will get MD? By proving quadrilateral ABDM is a rectangle. So opposite sides will be equal. So AB 12, so MD will be 12. Now MD, sorry, it's a BD, so BD will be equal to AM, and this will be 15. So as we know the adjacent side of 30 degree, correct, we will get the opposite side by the formula of tan 30 degree, and we can get CM. Once we get a CM, we can add the value of CM with MD, and we will get CD, and that is the height of taller one, correct, a tall building. Next, so first AB and CD be the height of building, BD be the width of the road, such that BD equal to 15 meter. Draw segment AM perpendicular to segment CD. Angle of elevation, angle CAM equal to 30 degree. CAM will be 30 degree. Now as we got it of 30 degree, there is no alternate of something, so directly quadrilateral we will prove it is a rectangle. So in quadrilateral ABDM, angle B, that is angle ABD, equal to angle D, that is angle BDM, equal to 90 degree. And third angle, angle M, AM be a perpendicular to CD. It is already written, we have written this AM perpendicular to CD. Therefore angle AMD equal to 90 degree. Reason, seg AM is perpendicular to seg CD, correct. And the fourth angle, angle MAB will be also 90 degree. MAB will be 90 degree. Reason, remaining angle of triangle, remaining angle of a triangle. Therefore quadrilateral ABDM is a rectangle. Therefore opposite sides are equal, so AB equal to MD, MDDD equal to 12 meter, and AM equal to BD equal to 15 meter. We need to write reason. Here also we need to write reason. Why it is a rectangle? There are three reasons. You can write any one of it, by definition of rectangle, by property of rectangle, or as each angle is 90 degree. As each angle is 90 degree. And here the reason will be opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So this is 15 and this one is 12. So MD we got as 12. Now in triangle CMA, in triangle CMA, angle CMA equal to 90 degree, angle CAM equal to 30 degree. Therefore opposite side we need to find, adjacent side is given. So tan 30 degree equal to CM upon AM, and you know the reason. The reason is by definition. Substituting the value, tan 30 again 1 upon root 3. CM we need to find, AM is given 15. The reason tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Cross multiply. CM into root 3, so root 3 will remain here. 15 ones are 15. 15 upon root 3 equal to CM. So CM, and we know 15 by root 3, we don't want denominator to be irrational. So we will multiply one more root 3 up and down. 15 into root 3 will remain 15 root 3, and root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So it's a 5 root 3. Units are given, yes, meter. So cm equal to 5 root 3. And we know 5 root 3, no, we want 5 into 1.73, because value of root 3 is 1.73, though it is not given, so you can keep as it is, but better to substitute. 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 7s are 35, and 1 36, 3 left, 5 1s are 5, and 3 8, so 8.65 meter. The reason root 3 equal to 1.73. Now we need to find CD. So CD equal to CM plus MD. Reason C dash M dash D. Therefore CD equal to CM, we got 8.65, MD we got 12, and 8 and 12 20, 20.65 meter. As I don't have space, I will not write, but you have to write final answer. What is the height of second building? The height of second building is 20.65 meter. So hope you understood sum number 8 as well. Sum number 9. A ladder on a platform of a fire brigade. See, AB is a ladder and AE is a platform of a fire brigade. When can be elevated at the angle of 70 degree. The ladder of a fire brigade can be elevated at the angle of 70 degree. Elevated means angle of elevation means upward direction. So AC will be the horizon. Angle of elevation 70 degree to the maximum. The length of the ladder can be extended up to 20 meter. Up to 20 meter, you know, the length of the ladder can be increased or decreased till certain limit. So maximum limit is 20 meter. If a platform is at 2 meter above the ground, the platform of the fire brigade van is at 2 meter above the ground. That means the height of the fire brigade van is 2 meter. Find the maximum height from a ground up to which the ladder can be reached. We need to find the height of the ladder that can reach. So ladder can reach at point B, but we need to find the distance between B, that is the maximum height of the ladder, and the ground, which is D, because we know that distance is always perpendicular. So BD is perpendicular and we need to find BD. Now how to find BD? Very easy. Ditto like previous sum. AEDC is a rectangle, so AE will be equal to CD and both will be of 2 meter. Now in triangle BAC, angle C will be 90 degree because this will be construction as a horizon. AC is perpendicular to BD and hypotenuse is given 20 degree. We need to find opposite side. So opposite upon hypotenuse, which is sine 70 degree, and we will get BC. As we get BC and CD, just we need to add and we will get BD again. So let's start with the sum. Here first, as 70 degree and this 20 meter is given, so first we will do the part of triangle. Now in triangle ABC, angle BCA equal to 90 degree and angle BAC equal to 70 degree. Therefore, we know opposite side upon hypotenuse, because hypotenuse is given and we need to find opposite side. So sine 70 degree. Sine 70 degree equal to BC upon AB. The reason, by definition. Now value of sine 70 is already given. See, 70 degree, 50 degree, 20 degree, this type of degree values are not given in trigonometric table. So if they ask this type of values, they will give the final answer. Means conversion definitely they will give. So don't worry about it. Sine 70 degree is 0.94. 0.94 equal to BC. We don't know BC, and AB we know it's 20. So by cross multiplication, BC, 1s are BC, and 0.94 into 20. Here definitely we have to write reason, and the reason is sine 70 degree equal to 0.94. Now BC equal to, definitely as we have 20, so 0 we have, so 1 point will change, but we have to multiply with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, and after one number the decimal point will come. So 18.8 unit is meter. So BC we got 18.8 meter. Now in quadrilateral AEC, AEDC, AEDC, we know that angle E equal to angle D equal to 90 degree, because they are vertical things. Then angle C is 90 degree because of construction. So angle ACD equal to 90 degree. Reason segment AC is perpendicular to segment BD. Seg AC is perpendicular to seg BD. So we got this 90 degree. Then fourth angle, angle CAE equal to also 90 degree. Fourth angle is also 90 degree. The reason will be remaining angle of quadrilateral. Therefore quadrilateral AEDC is a rectangle, and we know the rule. You can write any one reason by definition of rectangle, or by property of rectangle, or as each angle is 90 degree. Since opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, therefore AE equal to CD equal to 2 meter. Now we need to find BD. So BD equal to BC plus CD. The reason is B dash C dash D. BD we don't know. BC we know 18.8 plus CD, and CD is 2. Therefore BD equal to 20.8 meter. So we got the value of BD. So answer, the height, correct, the maximum height, the maximum height from the ground up to which a ladder can reach is 20.8 meter, and this is the answer. If you want to write after decimal 2 digit, you can put 0 also. So 20.80 or 20.8 simply is okay. So this is the end of sum number 9. Sum number 10, which is of 4 marks. While landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. So let the initial position of a plane be A, from which it is landing, and landing at point B by an angle of depression of 20 degree. we know the angle of depression will form with the horizon. So AE is the horizon. So I'll write ray AE is a horizon. Angle EAB equal to 20 degree. We know angle EAB 20. So angle ABC is also 20 degree alternate angle because horizon is always parallel to ground. The next, plane B with the point where the plane lands, AE is the horizon. AE is the horizon that we have written. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. The time is given. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds and the speed is 200 km per hour. The speed of the plane is 200 km per hour. So we need to find distance. Don't worry, it is easy. Find the height at which the plane was when it started landing, and we have to use sine 20 degree equal to 0.342. Angle, first we will write ray AE is parallel to seg CB. The reason will be horizon is always parallel to ground. Therefore, angle EAB is congruent to angle ABC equal to 20 degree. Reason, alternate angle. Correct? So we got this as 20 degree. Now actually we should know at least one of the side, but we don't know any of this side. So we can at least find out first AB. Now speed is given in 200 km per hour. 200 km per hour. And here the time is given in seconds. So first we will convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Kilometer per hour into meter per second. So first, speed of plane 200 km per hour. Therefore, equal to 200 kilometer is 1000 meter upon hour means 3600 second in denominator. 00 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 18s are 9s are half, right? And here half will be 500. So we will get 500 by 9 meter per second. This is in meter per second. Therefore, distance covered in 54 seconds. This is speed, and we know the time also. So product of speed into time is the distance. So we'll write distance equal to speed into time. So speed is 500 upon 9 into time 54. 9 1s are 9 6 are 54. 5 6 are 30. So 3000 meter or 3 kilometer, but we will keep it as meter only. 3000 meter. Now AB we got. AB, correct? It covers the distance this way. 3000 meter. We need to find at the height at which the plane was started landing. Plane started landing. That means AC we need to find. Now with respect to 20 degree hypotenuse is given and opposite side we need to find. Correct? So for that we have to use a triangle property. So in triangle ACB, angle ACB equal to 90 degree and angle ABC equal to 20 degree. Now opposite upon hypotenuse, that is sine. Therefore sine 20 degree equal to opposite side, that is AC, upon hypotenuse is AB. Reason by definition. Sine 20, the value is 0.342, which is given, and this type of value will be given to you. Equal to AC. AC we don't know, we need to find, upon AB. AB we got 3000 meter. 3000. Now 342 upon 1000, when we convert from decimal to proper fraction, 3000 will come on the left side in multiplication form. So AC will be 342 upon 1000 into 3000. 000 will get cancelled. Now we need to multiply, right? AC, we need to find AC with multiplication of 342 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. 1026 meter. So AC we got 1026 meter. So that is the answer. The height at which the plane started landing. Is 1026 meter. And this is the end of sum number 10 and problem set as well.